Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can watch Netflix together with your friends. So first of all, you have to log into the netflix.com on your browser and then open this second website, that's the teleparty.com. We are going to use this extension. So you have to click to install Teleparty in the right upper corner, then click to add to Chrome and click to add extension. Next, you will be moved to this teleparty.com website one more time, and we have to go with these 3 steps. That's very simple. So first of all, we have to click on this extension in the right upper corner and find Netflix Party is now Teleparty and click on this pin. Right now this extension will be appears right here on this quick list. So we have to confirm this step, then click to accept, click to allow, and select Netflix or any other streaming services that you are gonna watch with your friends. I'm gonna use only Netflix, so click continue and then tap to join the party. Click join the party one more time. Right now we can close this Netflix website, also this Chrome Web Store, and as you can see we are already on the Netflix in the office, but basically let's go back and I'm going to show you how we can do this. So if you try to tap on the extension, you cannot create the party, so you have to basically open any like TV serial like The Office, for example, and after that when you click on the extension you will be able to create the party. You can only set the control to yourself, so your friends will be not able to switch volume, to go forward or adjust subtitles or ever speed of the video. So click to start the party and remember about this control also. And as you can see right now we are in the lobby, and if you want to share the lobby to your friends, you just have to copy this link, send to them. They just have to basically open it, click to join the party, and as you can see right now you are in the lobby together with your friends, and you can also type right here. You can send emotes. As you can see, it appears on the screen. There's some gifts. You can also enable the voice chat, and yeah, that's all. This extension also, it's free for 7 days. If you want to pay for it, let me show you, it's monthly $5, and per year it's almost $50. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.